This system can carry up to 548 inches TV, an inverter AC, an inverter fridge, all the lighting points in the house, and all the socket points in the house. With this system, there will be a power, there will be, there will be power, there will be power, there will be. Today we are setting up a 5 kV hybrid inverter system, and as you can see here are my panels. They are 16 in number, and over there are my batteries. Actually there are 8 batteries, but one is already up here. And since we are using a 5 kV hybrid inverter system with a maximum PV voltage of 500 volts, what we are going to do today is to parallel that is okay series each. We are going to like divide this panel into 4. That is 16 divided by 4 is going to give us 4. So what we are going to do, we are going to divide each of the panel into 4 places. That means series 4, series the next 4, series the 4, and the last 4, which is going to give us 4 banks. I think the maximum, as you can see here, the maximum PV voltage of this solar panel is 31 volts. That is closed circuit, is 31 volts. So what we are going to do is 31 times 4, that is about 120, 124, 124, 120 thereabouts. So we are going to series each of the, we are going to series 4 panels. What I mean by this is just collecting 1, 2, 3, 4, series it, plus minus, plus minus, plus minus, plus minus. That is what I mean by series connection. We are going to do that with the other 4, the third 4, and the last 4, which is going to be 4 banks. So stay tuned, guys, as we start. Okay, guys. So as you can see, that is my DC cable that will be sent inside the room for our panel connection. And as you can see, this white metal here is my interlock, or you can call it panel holder. As you can see, they are all set. This is a metal roof actually. So what we did was, if you notice, there is a very big bolt, a very big knot here. What I just did, I loosed it. As you can see here, I loosed it, created a hole, and tied it back. It's as easy as that. You can see it's firmly, very, very firmly. So that was just what we did. Hello guys. So today, as I earlier said, we are installing a 5 kV hybrid inverter system, and the maximum PV voltage of that system is 550 volts. And here we have 16 panels, as you can see. I'm done setting up my panels just to do the connection. So what we are going to do, since the minimum voltage of that panel of the inverter EV voltage is 120, we can't do it 4 and we can't do it 5 either, because 5 cannot divide 16. The best option we have here today is just 8. 16 divided by 2 will give us 8. So what we are going to do, we are going to series these 8 panels, and we are going to series these 8 panels. That should give us around 200 and something. The maximum PV voltage of the solar panel, the maximum PV voltage of solar panel is 31.9. So if you do your calculation very well, that should give you about 200 and something. Like I earlier said, we are going to series 8 panels, this set of 8 panels, and we are going to series this set of 8 panels. So stay tuned. Okay guys, so I'm done with my series connection. As you can see, this is a series connection, positive and negative. This is positive and this is negative. I'm done with my series connection. So as you can see, I've already connected the wire that is going inside the building. This is negative and this is negative of this side. I'm done with the series connection over here also. So this is it, positive and negative. I'm done with the series connection here. So all the remaining negative terminal that is meant for this one and this one enter this black wire. Series connection, positive and negative. 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 The same thing over here, positive and negative to that end there. So the last wire that came out was the negative for this side, as you can see. Positive, as you can see, I've connected it. This is the wire that is going into the building. This is a DC cable. So I'm done with my connection. So if you have any question, just drop a comment on the comment section and I will attend to it as soon as I see it. So that's just basically it for today. And please don't forget to like, subscribe, and share, and also comment. Okay, so I'm done with the connection up here, and as earlier I explained about the connection down here, you can see I've done that also. You can see how neat the work is. The black wire here shows the negative terminal, and the blue wire here shows the positive terminal. And there are 16 panels up here. What I did was to just connect this 8 in series and this 8 in series, giving us about 200 and something, like 200 and something, 250 thereabouts. And I'm done with my whole connection up here. So guys, we are done with the whole connection for the installation of the 5 kV hybrid inverter system. As you can see, the panel is being connected already. This is the symbol for the panel. Let's check the PV voltage. It's about 247. As you can see what we did, 287, sorry. What we did there, we series 8 panels and another 8, that is 16 divided by 2. There are actually 2 bars there. It's to 87 maximum PV voltage. And this is the wattage. We are about 375 watts. It's fluctuating. Okay, I think that's all. So guys, please, if you have any question, just drop a comment on the comment section, and please don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to the channel. So today we are done with the installation of 5 kV hybrid inverter system and 8 tall tubular battery with 16 solar panel in total. So as you can see how the work is, you see how neat and how diligent I am at what I'm doing. So the system has started working already. If I just turn this on, the inverter, once I just turn it on, just wait for it for like 5 seconds. Okay. You see, everything is working perfectly fine. This system can carry up to 548 inches TV, an inverter AC, an inverter fridge, all the lighting points in the house, and all the socket points in the house. With this system, there will be a power, there will be power. Okay, so with this system, you get to like have a 24/7 power in your home. Like there will be nothing like power outage in this building as long as this building is concerned. With this 8 tall tubular battery, 16 panels up there, and this 5 kV hybrid inverter system, there will steady light here. There will be steady light 247. Leave band A, they are not efficient as solar band. Leave band B, they are not efficient. Solar band is the best that you can find anywhere in the world. Like you can control when to like use your energy and when not to like use it. You can control everything yourself. Just leave band A, leave band B, leave band C. Solar band to the world. Welcome to WERMZ Energy.